This is the HiPipo Include Everyone program, a groundbreaking initiative bridging the digital and financial inclusion gap in the COMESA region. There are at least 43,000 cross-border traders in Zambia, according to the Cross-Border Traders Association of Zambia. Approximately 70% of these traders operate informal businesses with initial capital ranging between $20 to $500. These traders face significant challenges in financial inclusion, including limited access to formal financial services, low levels of digital and financial literacy, a lack of financial products designed for their unique needs, high transaction costs, and foreign exchange challenges. These barriers hinder their economic empowerment and perpetuate gender disparities in this sector.
It is our privilege and honor to scale the HiPipo Include Everyone program to the COMESA region and see how privileged Zambia is that in phase 1 of our scaling program, Zambia and Malawi are the first on the list. Today, as we speak about cross-border traders, dear Mr. President and your entire National Executive Committee, we are very, very privileged to even have this conversation, to even discuss collaboration, but also we are honored that you all made time to come here and have this meeting and workshop, which I am very sure is not going to leave any of us the same going forward.
In response to these challenges, HiPipo is expanding the HiPipo Include Everyone program across the COMESA region in collaboration with the COMESA Business Council under their Digital Financial Inclusion Program for MSMEs.
COMESA Business Council decided to engage into partnership with HiPipo. We are coming up with a digital retail payments platform. This platform is going to connect commercial banks and non-banks, like for instance mobile network operators, fintechs, microfinance institutions, and others. So ideally, the aim of this program is to serve cross-border traders. These are the micro, small, and medium enterprises within the COMESA region, but also beyond the COMESA region in case of maybe participation in other supply chains, let's say buying inputs from other regions.
As part of this initiative, cross-border leaders from Zambia received comprehensive digital and financial literacy training. This training was designed to equip them with essential skills and knowledge to improve their financial management capabilities. By empowering these, especially women leaders, the program aims to create a ripple effect, enabling them to share the learned skills with the traders they represent, ultimately fostering a more inclusive and financially empowered community. The training covered key areas such as budgeting, saving, loans, and investment, critical components for the success and sustainability of any business.
So what does savings mean to you? Putting aside a part of your current earnings for future use. If you want to get something, you can save for a goal, you can have something that motivates you to save. You're saving with a purpose, you're saving to build a machine, you're saving to buy more stock. It has to have something. The goal might be just to accumulate wealth or have money that you can access anytime, any day.
It's actually basically savings, and then in saving you also interact. So as you are saving, there's a time when you come together as a group, would eat together, and then sometimes would even share the proceeds at the end of the year, or when we say we are saving for 2 years, when that time comes, we come together, share our proceeds, and then we also eat together and interact.
Yeah, just to add on what she said, my wife actually belongs to one. The key component is that the money that you put in there grows. Within your team, whoever wants that money on a short-term basis, they'll put a small percentage, maybe 10% when bringing back that money. You get a point. So these members, like, you want to boost your business, there's this money, maybe 300,000. Mpangeke ni get maybe 10,000. I stock up. After 5 days again, or after a month, then I bring back maybe 12,000 kwacha to the group. So at the end of the year, then they will share that money.
You as the consumer have a right to protection. Your data, for privacy, you have a right to have your conflicts resolved by your service provider. So to understand who your financial providers are, you need to read the terms and conditions. Every time we sign for a new SIM card, the terms and conditions to it, when you're opening up a bank account, because they're so detailed and many, we don't have time to read through, but we need to take time and understand there's a reason as to why they are the way they are.
You need to be empowered to gain confidence, like Madam Chair has said. You have your right. You can go to your bank, you can go to the telecom that you're using and ask them, why is this not working out as it should be?
The leaders expressed their gratitude, stating that this training will improve their lives and businesses.
CBC, Dr. Jonathan, thank you very much. And we hope and pray that we shall be moving like this as partners. So such activities which HiPipo are bringing, where others have benefited, let's join hands with them and to see how they can also help us to transform, beginning with ourselves as leaders.
To never have done so much without collaboration and partnership of our friends like COMESA and COMESA Business Council, we wouldn't have done anything. I'd also mention that for all the progress we've made, we wouldn't have impacted so many people without partnerships like the one we proudly talk about all the time with our friends, the Gates Foundation, who have supported us in scaling our work to different regions around the continent over the last years.
With generous support from the Gates Foundation and in partnership with COMESA Business Council and CBTA, HiPipo is empowering communities to ensure inclusion and shared benefits for everyone.